Generating orthodontic models in Relu Automate. Open your Relu Automate Services tab and select orthodontic models. You can use the original presets or generate your own presets and save them for future use. Take your time adjusting all the necessary parameters for your specific orders. You can adjust the engravement styles, choose the type of base and the desired infill, and whether you want to adjust the gingiva cropping. You can modify the base height and chamfer settings to match your 3D printing preferences, as well as adjust other specifics. Select pins and other attachments if necessary. Relu Automate incorporates a wide range of AI tools that can be applied to your cases, such as trim line generation, bite correction, bracket and wire removal, cleaning of iOS artifacts, and more. And some final details can be fine-tuned with the advanced settings if needed. You can upload your files at any point during the process. Simply browse files or drag and drop them into the upload box. Relu Automate can process up to 100 files per order. With everything in place, press the Place Order button. Your files will start uploading immediately. Once uploaded, the files will process. You can check the progress under Status. When the orders are processed, you can review them in the 3D viewer. Here you see the generated model based on the presets we chose. You can inspect it from different angles, compare it to the input files, and of course export it from here.